Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn profile with ChatGPT. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. ChatGPT can be a useful tool to kickstart your LinkedIn profile creation, but it shouldn't replace your own input and editing. Here's how to leverage it. Provide ChatGPT with some background information like your current role, skill, and career goal. Here are some prompts to get you started. Here is the prompt that you can use in ChatGPT. Write a compelling LinkedIn headline that highlights my skill in content writing, or you can add your skill and my experience in my XYZ company. There you can write your industry's name. Then click to enter. Then ChatGPT will craft your content. Then copy the information that ChatGPT has given, then paste it on your LinkedIn profile. This is how you can use ChatGPT to create LinkedIn profile. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.